Comisarul European pentru Afaceri Interne, Magnus Brunner, a anunțat că situația din Ceuta este sub control, iar migrația ilegală în Uniunea Europeană a scăzut cu 55% datorită consolidării frontierei externe și noilor proceduri de azil. Vă invităm să vă abonați, să apreciați și să distribuiți acest material pentru a susține munca noastră. Echipa Jurnal Info.
As you of course know, that these past few days were, I would say, a test of our European resilience on the one hand and of the security of our external borders altogether. We have just concluded our informal meeting of the Ministers of Interior on last week's events in Ceuta, and there was, of course, full solidarity with Spain around the table. The meeting was, I think, also a very useful opportunity to clarify the facts on the ground. Minister Grande Marlaska confirmed that the situation is under control, that no one has actually moved to the mainland of Spain, and that the Schengen area has not been affected. But before I go into the details further on the situation, something that all ministers recalled today, and which was in the middle of all the interventions of the ministers, what the EU has jointly achieved in the last 1.5 years is real, and the numbers also clearly show this. Since June the 12th, you know that the reformed common European asylum system is in force, screening at the border, accelerated procedures, and we agreed also on the new return regulation. So all these reforms together are there, and we can see that in the numbers and in the figures. Illegal migration decreased by 55% in the last 2 years. Another almost 40% so far this year, and this led to just over 49,000 people crossed illegally to our European Union across all our external borders, and that is roughly, just to give you a comparison, this is roughly as many as arrived on the Greek islands alone in a single week of October 2015. So this leads also on the other hand, to decreased asylum applications, of course, across the European Union. Just to give you two examples there, in Germany, for instance, the numbers are down by more than a third again this year. Sweden, for instance, registered 8,400 applications last year. That's the lowest in 40 years. And Denmark registered 1,800 by the end of November. That's a historic low there as well. By every measure, Europe has not had this much control over illegal migration in decades. But of course, the events from Ceuta, that's also pretty clear, show that that dramatic images beat actually the best statistics. And that's also, of course, one of the learnings. And as I said before, these past few days were a test of our European resilience, a test of the security of our external borders. And these days showed clearly that there are actors who have no regard for the safety or even for lives of innocent people. And from the first moment, of course, what we did as a Commission, we offered support to Spain, both financially and operationally, and this includes emergency financial assistance to strengthen the protection of the external border in Ceuta, also supporting returns, of course, and also to prevent movements to the European Union. In terms of support from our agencies, Frontex is already on the ground with more than 30 people in Ceuta, and of course is ready to do more also, and also other EU agencies like Europol, like our asylum agency, stand ready to assist Spain.